Hi, I'm Michael Goncher, editor of the New York Times Learning Network. Every school day on the Learning Network, we select a new vocabulary word in our Word of the Day feature. We define it, say how often the word has appeared in the New York Times over the past year, and provide an excerpt from a Times article that shows how the word is used in context. Then we invite students to test their understanding of the word in a brief quiz. Do you know what propinquity means? What about vagary or indolent? Our Word of the Day feature can help anyone, students or adults, expand their vocabulary. Perhaps my favorite part of our Word of the Day feature is our annual vocabulary video contest, when we invite students to choose one word of the day from our list of thousands and define or teach the word in 15 seconds or less. These videos are so much fun for us to judge as we choose our favorites. Here's a past winner to give you a taste.
Callow, adjective, young and inexperienced.